Kinds of companies. Companies can be classified on various bases. The first basis is on the basis of liability. On the basis of liabilities, we have companies limited by shares. That is, those companies in which the liability of the members is restricted to the amount of shares held by them. Then we have companies limited by guarantee, wherein the liabilities of the members is restricted to the amount that they have agreed to contribute. And last is unlimited liabilities or unlimited companies, that is the companies in which members have unlimited liabilities. Remember, this kind of companies, although it is permitted by Indian Companies Act 1956, but they are not found in India. That is the unlimited liability companies. The second classification is on the basis of members. On the basis of members, the companies can be classified as private limited and public limited. We have already done this in 11th class business studies, but just to reiterate, private limited companies are those companies in which right to transfer shares is restricted. Transfer shares is restricted. Then number of members excluding past and present employees should be less than 50. Coming to a public limited company, a very simple definition: any company which is not a private limited company is a public limited company. Right, students? Then there are basic technical differences, like in a public limited company, minimum 7 members are required to form it. Then there is a clear-cut right to transfer shares, like transferability is possible. Number of members can go up till infinity, right? There is no restriction on maximum number of members. Then there are certain procedural differences in their formation. But a very basic and fundamental difference lies in the fact that a private limited company cannot raise capital from public, right? It cannot raise capital from public. Whatever capital is required has to be arranged through either loans or among those 50 members. Whereas in case of public limited company, it is possible to issue shares to public. And by issue of shares, we mean gathering capital from public.